not happy because you don't have it.
Are you guys using
a
PhotoPass
Donald
today?
Duck.
Yes, ma'am.
Cool.
Stephanie, you needed a Donald Duck one.
Donald Duck shirt. Where is it? No one.
It's upset. Number one. He wrote Donald Duck number one.
Oh yeah, Donald number one.
Number three.
You didn't find it, right? No? I look all over. I look around.
Yeah, I looked all the way as I walked back. I
Yeah,
looked all
me too.
over. I looked in the couches and everything.
Maybe he get it with
Hold up your number ones.
Hold up your number one, guys.
Andrew Paul. Andrew Paul. Andrew Paul, okay.
And right here, guys.
Okay. Yeah, I looked all over the campus.
Maybe he get it without
Yeah.
that part.
Yeah, we looked under the couch and everything.
Okay. It
And I
may
looked
have
on the
just,
pathway all the way
it
back.
may have not come with one where I not.
Funny, huh?
Okay, go ahead.
Andre was just.
Hey, I think Donald is number one, not Mickey.
Mom, you think he's number three. Who's number two?
Daisy.
Daisy.
Daisy's number two.
Daisy's number two, everyone.
Do you think that's funny, Zachary?